going to come out here, folks. We're going to have to be dodging some debris out here, so we're going to have to zigzag a couple of different times. Since the hurricane, the river just loaded up with a lot of debris. So don't be surprised if we're going left, we're going right, we're going fast, we're going slow. Enjoy the ride. I do have to blow a really loud horn here, folks. I don't know if there's any really young kids on. You want to hold your ears? Like I said, it's a pretty loud horn. Here we go, guys. 5 seconds, so I'm going to have to blow. Here we go. Quite fast. Welcome to the Delaware River, folks. That's New Jersey over there. See New Jersey over there? That's New Jersey over there. That's here for nobody. That's Pennsylvania over here. Pennsylvania. Boo. New Jersey over here. New Jersey. We're about 93 miles north of the Atlantic Ocean. You can take this river all the way down to the Atlantic Ocean. Down there they call it saltwater. For some reason they call this freshwater. Here's Captain Wayne, our eyes and ears down here on the river. He's the one looking for the large pieces of debris and ships, of course.
That dome over there is the aquarium.
Now we all know that's Will Smith, right? We all know Will Smith's from Philadelphia. Does anybody know what part of Philly he's from? South. No, he's not Italian. He tells you right here. In... Where? Who said that? West Philadelphia, born and raised. Now here's what you probably didn't know. They converted these municipal piers into condominiums years ago, and the end condominium where the American flags are, that's Will Smith's father's condo. And his dad normally only puts the flags out when Will Smith is in town to let us know that the Fresh Prince is on the Delaware. You get a Fresh Prince of Delaware? Now we're not allowed too much further south than this, so I'm going to make a big left turn here. So if you're going to take a picture of Will Smith's pop's house, you want to do it now. The bridge all the way down there is the Walt Whitman Bridge, completed in May of 1957. When it was completed, it was a very convenient bridge to get over to the sports stadium where the Philly Sixers, Flyers, and Eagles play. That's the bridge you take from South Jersey. You'll take it right to the sports complex. Trying to stay away from this debris here. Now you're looking right down the bow of the battleship New Jersey. You can see how narrow she is.